How to cancel Milestone Credit Card. Let's get started. Before you begin the cancellation process, ensure that all existing balances on your Milestone Credit Card are paid off. This is an important first step to avoid any issues during cancellation. Next, you'll need to call Milestone customer support. You can find their toll-free number on the back of your credit card or on their website. Once you dial the number, explain to your representative that you would like to cancel your credit card. The customer representative will ask for some information such as your account number and social security number. Make sure to provide these details accurately to proceed with the cancellation. After providing your details, you will receive an email confirming the cancellation. It's important to check your credit report after 30 days to ensure that the account is no longer active. Once the cancellation is confirmed, destroy your card by cutting it up. This prevents it from landing in the hands of unauthorized users. Additionally, you can write a letter to Milestone Genesis FS Card Services. In your letter, express your request to cancel the credit card and include your credit card number and contact information. Send the letter to the address listed on the Milestone website. Wait for a response confirming the cancellation. Well, this is how you can easily cancel Milestone Credit Card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.